I'm Gia at Yarn Nuts. Yarn hoarder, yarn squirreler, yarn collector. I love it all. And I just want to do a shout out to Crystal at Bag A Day Crochet. I absolutely loved the tour of your yarn room, and thank you for doing that. It was fantastic, and I'm so glad that you're not letting people bother you. So thank you, Crystal. I do watch videos, and I really enjoy them. And I'm so glad that you're doing what you're doing. Thank you so much, and for all the wonderful yarn reviews. So today I want to introduce you to some new yarns that you may not have seen before. I found some really great new colors. Bernat blanket, although sometimes I say Bernat, I have to say I love doing the French pronunciation of words even though it's not right. So Bernat blanket stripes. So we got a couple of boxes in, and I'm going to be opening them up for you and showing you what we got. Okay, so let's open this up. All right. Here's a peek inside the box. Got some great, really large project bags. These will be nice. Then I'm going to put this box on the floor so we can dig into it. Okay, so I've opened the boxes. Let's see what we have. They had some really good deals on some Bernat blanket. And I found some, I really love Bernat blanket. I used it quite extensively last winter. I made everybody I knew a blanket out of it. I love how quickly it works up and how well the yarn washes, and everybody just responds to the squishiness of it. They just love it. So I found some new colors, which I'm not sure if you've seen them or not before, but I haven't, so very excited. I got 4 cakes of this color. Now I will open it up and read it for you in just a second, but I like to do about 4 cake blankets because they're not too big and bulky, but they're big enough to cover your legs and your lap. So if you want a bigger blanket, you might want to use 5 or 6. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. This is Big Sky Country Bernat blanket stripes, and it's number 76024. Bernat blanket stripes. I love the color. It's kind of an orangey gold with some blues and cream. Really pretty. Some orangey gold. It's orangey gold with some blues and creams. Very pretty. I love this color combination. This is the Bernat Big Sky Country Bernat blanket. Really gorgeous. I do have to tell you, I know everybody loves cakes, but I just feel that if you have to color control a cake, there's no point in having a cake. I would really like to see the people that make cakes to design them in a way, and you have patterns to go with them, so that you just crochet or knit it out and your pattern comes out. Otherwise, honestly, for me, I don't see the point in a cake. I find it really annoying that I have to pull them out, cut it out, go to a different skein to find what I need, you know, if you want the stripes to end at the end. So I actually started buying the solids because Bernat has the same colors in solids in most of the colors. I started buying the solids and just color controlling myself and not having to break up the cake. Now I do get the cakes are really cool to look at and they're so fun and I do love them, don't get me wrong. But when you want something that, you know, that you want it to be right and you don't want to color control, you know, I'm just saying. Again, I know people love cakes. I love cakes, but I just have a real beef with the whole color control issue. So let me know what you think about that in the comments below, because I'm very new to cakes. I took a hiatus from crocheting for many years, and when I came back recently, all of a sudden there were cakes. And I had never seen them before. So yeah, they are fascinating, and the color combinations are gorgeous, but I just don't get the whole color control thing. So let me know what you think about that, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. So comment below and let me know. Ooh, olive and khaki greens. I haven't seen this one before either. The only ones I had before were the blues, you know, and the browns, of course. And then I got some, I managed to get 4 balls in a pink and gray and 1 in a mint green and gray. But I haven't seen this before. This is very cool. This is Olive Branch 76028. Looks like it's got olives and khakis and creams and a little bit of gray in there as well. I got the 10.5 ounce balls on this color because they didn't have cakes, but I haven't seen this color before. I really like it. They don't have the crinkle bags. Okay, this is Bernat blanket, and it is 10.5 ounces, and it is color number 10736 Teal Dreams. This is really pretty. Different shades of teal and blue. There you can see that. It's really, really pretty. Really pretty. Oh, I like that. Again, you know, as you know, probably this yarn is super soft. Okay, got a couple more of the Bernat blanket. This is pinks and reds, which I thought was really neat. Okay, this is 10.5 ounce ball of raspberry ribbon variegated, number 12014. Bernat blanket. Very cool. It's reds and pinks and white. I have another color in of the Bernat blanket. Looks like it's grays. Not sure why I ordered that. I have a ton of grays. Isn't that funny how you get you get in a tizzy and you just start ordering things? You're like, what did I order? Why did I order that? I don't know. I'm not sure why I ordered this one, but it is pretty. It's called Silver Steel 10001. Another 10.5 ounce ball. Bernat blanket. It's very pretty though. It does have this like steel grays in it. A little tiny bit of lighter gray, steel gray. Really pretty. Bernat blanket. Gray steel. Oh, these are pretty. Karen Big Cakes. I have not tried these, so I wanted to give them a try. They didn't have a lot in stock, so I got one of the colors that I thought I would like. Karen Big Cakes, 10.5 ounces. This is Afternoon Tea, number 26024. This is really soft. It's pretty soft, I have to say. This is mint greens, olive greens, beige, a little bit of a chartreusey, really pale. I really like this color combination. It's very nice. Seems to be little brown speckles in the yarn, little speckles. That would make an interesting texture. I got a 3-pack of the Craftsmart 100% acrylic, which I haven't tried before. Again, I'm collecting the basic acrylic yarns to see which ones are the best. So I wanted to get one of these and see what it was like. This actually feels just like Red Heart Super Saver. Again, to me, really quick off the top of my head. It's a very good value. 364 yards, 333 meters. And this is 7 ounces. And it is 100% acrylic. And it's a 4 weight. So we'll be comparing this. A very nice navy blue though. Really pretty. You can see that. They had this yummy yellow color of Red Heart Super Saver. Yay! Actually, I can compare the Super Saver with the Craftsmart right now. This is Red Heart Super Saver in bright yellow. I'm sure everybody's familiar with Red Heart Super Saver. They had a really good price for it, and I just love this color. I'm finding it's hard to find yellows and reds in yarn, so whenever I run across those, I pick them up just because I like to have a variety of colors. But actually, this lets me compare the Red Heart Super Saver with the Craftsmart acrylic. These are both 7 ounces. This is the Super Saver, and this is the Craftsmart acrylic. I have to say the Red Heart does feel slightly softer. Just very slightly. Definitely a little tiny bit softer. Maybe not enough to make a difference on certain projects, but definitely a little softer. Red Heart Super Saver in bright yellow. And we are going to compare that to the Craftsmart Value. Comparing the fibers, Super Saver just looks a tiny bit fatter. Other than that, they're both spun pretty well. Super Saver just seems like it might be a little tiny bit looser. We got some more very large project bags. So these I'll probably be selling on the website and also using for giveaways. So I hope you enjoyed that yarn review. There's some new yarns that hopefully you haven't seen before, and there are some shades that I know are hard to find in the Bernat blanket. So I love having a variety of those on hand to make gifts for everyone. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this yarn and have a really great day. Bye! Today I want to introduce you to a new yarn, and it's a new cut. So I want to today cut. Breathe.